Yay! Mikno TV! Hello curious kids! Are you ready to embark on the exciting journey to discover the wonders of the seasons? Call your friends too to join us in this exciting learning journey. So let's get started. Today we will dive into 4 fantastic seasons: summer, winter, spring, and autumn, along with the enchanting rainy season. In this video, we will explore the unique characteristics of each season, from clothing to wear, and to enjoy the delicious fruit of that season. So let's jump right in. Say hello to summer. This is the season of sunshine and outdoor adventures. During this time, the weather is warm and the days are longer. People like to wear light and comfy clothes and items to beat the heat, like flip-flops, shorts, and t-shirts. You can also spend your summer days swimming or playing at the beach. Building sand castles with your friends is so much fun. Do you want to make one in this summer? Don't forget to keep yourself well hydrated. Drink plenty of water or juices and apply SPF before going out in the sun. These are some fruits of summer season like watermelon, mango, and bananas. Hello winter! It's the time of the year when everything turns cold and magical. In this season, we bundle up in cozy caps, gloves, jackets, and sweaters to stay warm. Winter is also a perfect season to build a snowman and having snowball fights. In this winter season, try to make a snowman. It is so much fun. But don't forget to keep yourself warm, otherwise you might get cold. Winter is also a season when you can savor delicious treat like hot chocolate. People sit in front of fire to stay warm. Try to stay at home in harsh weather. These are some winter fruits: orange, guava, and apple. Hello, it's spring, the season of nature's rebirth. Spring brings new life and beauty to the world. This season is known for blooming flowers, buzzing bees, and chirping birds. It is also a season for birds to breed and build nests. During spring, the weather becomes milder and we can wear colorful clothes like dresses and light jackets. It's an excellent time to fly kites, have picnics, and go on nature's walk. These are some spring season's fruit: apricot, cherries, and strawberries. Hello autumn! Autumn is also known as fall season. When the leaves start changing colors and falling from the trees, it's autumn. During this time, we wear comfy sweaters, jeans, and boots to keep ourselves cozy. Autumn is perfect for jumping in piles of fallen leaves, carving pumpkins, and going in nature's walk. These are some autumn season's fruit: apple, pear, and grapes. Hello to rainy season. It's also known as monsoon cycle. During this season, we experience showers of rain that help plants grow and keep everything fresh. Rainy day calls for rain boots, raincoats, and colorful umbrella to stay dry. It's perfect time to play in puddles, dance in rain, or read a book indoors. These are some fruits of rainy season: peach, plums, and berries. Hey young explorer, it was indeed the exciting journey. Next time when you experience a change in weather, you will know what to expect and how to make the most of it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. We will meet soon in next exciting journey. Happy exploration!